In the struggle for India's independence from the British Raj, contribution of women cannot be neglected. They fought bravely and faced all the challenges that came their way for the country. Let's take a look at 10 women freedom fighters of India that can't be forgotten who played an important role in the country's freedom struggle. The fearless Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, was one of the leading figures of the 1857 War of Independence. Born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi as Manikarnika Tambe, she grew up to become an icon for the freedom struggle against the British rule in India. As Gandhi launched the civil disobedience and Quit India movement, Kasturba was at a frontliner at these agitations. She would often step into the role of leading the movements when Gandhi was detained. Kasturba played an active role in the Borsad Satyagraha of 1923-24 and the Bardoli Satyagraha of 1928. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India or Bharati Kokila. She played an important role in India's freedom struggle and also promoted women's rights. She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu was a poet and a great politician. Her literary works gained popularity all over the world. At an early age, she went to London for further studies. She became the first woman governor of India. Inspired by Nehru and Mahatma Gandhi, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, who was Nehru's sister, played an important role in India's freedom struggle and was imprisoned thrice by the Britishers. She became the face of India in the global arena. In 1946, she was the only lady delegate at the United Nations Organization Conference when she led India's delegation. In 1953, she became the first woman to be the president of the UN General Assembly. Suchitra Kriplani is especially remembered for her role in the Quit India movement of 1942. Her name figures alongside other prominent women leaders of the time for fearlessly confronting the British colonial government. She became the first woman chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Kriplani also established the women's wing of the Congress Party in 1940. Usha Mehta, noted Gandhian and freedom fighter, most known for organizing the secret Congress radio, was born on 25th March 1920 at the village of Saras, near the city of Surat in Gujarat. She entered the freedom struggle when she was just 8 years old when she marched against the Simon Commission. She was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Captain Lakshmi Sehgal. She was born in Madras and qualified as a doctor from Madras Medical College in 1938. She met Subhash Chandra Bose in Singapore in 1943. He spoke of the need to create an all-women's regiment in the Indian National Army in the fight for India's independence and made her its commander. The non-cooperation movement of 1921 saw Kamala Nehru's entry into the freedom struggle of the country. Once known as shy person, Kamala Nehru emerged as a strong woman, breaking all the stereotypes and joining her husband in the Indian independence movement. She, along with other lady pioneers, launched a massive protest against the shop selling foreign fabric and alcohol in Allahabad. Popularly known as Iron Lady, Durga Bai Deshmukh was an energetic and enlivened spirit. A firebrand freedom fighter, a dedicated social worker, and an adept lawyer, she had the potential of turning on her magic at the wink of an eye whenever she felt that people in the country needed her. Aruna Asaf Ali, one of the leading female figures of India's freedom movement, was a revolutionary leftist who picked up the mantle of leadership during the Quit India movement in 1942. On 8 August 1942, the Congress passed the Quit India resolution, and all its prominent leaders, including Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, were arrested by the British government.